What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to talk about my Honda Accord over here. I bought this Accord several years ago, and when I bought it, it had hail damage. I knew that. I got a good deal because of that, but I got that hail damage fixed and I got it painted. However, that paint started going bad, so I recently decided to get a wrap put on it, and that's what you're seeing here. The color is called Satin Dark Basalt, and I think it's a pretty cool color. And if you want to get your car wrapped, I'm going to share with you the information. If you're in Dallas Fort Worth, the guy that did it for me, he's starting his own business. I think it's he did a great job, awesome job, and hit him up if you're interested, and check out these before and after pictures.
Drop it.
Okay, so this is what my Honda Accord looked like before I took it in to get the wrap. And as you can see here, it's dirty actually, and you can see on basically on the trunk and the roof, it has a lot of damage. It's just the paint is fading. You're starting to see where they repaired a lot of the hail damage, and yeah, it's dirty. But besides that, there you can see all those hail damage repairs are starting to show. So it really was not a really good paint job at all. Only lasted about a year before it started showing signs of fading and chipping. So it was time to do something. I was either going to paint it or wrap it, and I decided to go with the wrapping, and this is the process. And this is the finished product. I think it came out great. This is the Satin Dark Basalt, and I think it looks great on this car. I think the accent pieces with the gloss black trim on the emblems, the window trim, the roof, I really just think it comes together really nicely, and I'm really and if you're interested in getting a wrap done to your car, just go to Instagram and follow SelectAutoModz and shoot them a message and schedule when you can do a wrap for yourself. And if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.